so today's video is a little different. As you can tell by the title, I'm just gonna be taking you guys, just around with me, a day in my life quarantine. There's really not much to do because I'm mostly home all the time, so we'll see how interesting this video gets. Alright, so what I'm currently doing right now is I'm just cutting these up as I've shown before. This is just a part of like my math homework. We're learning like fractions, like how to teach children how to do fraction and how to work with fractions. So yeah, I had to color them in, which is pretty cute. You probably can't see the colors right here, but yeah, I'm just gonna get that done, cut them into pieces, and then we'll see how my day goes. Alright, so now that I finished doing most of my homework, I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my hair since it's like all air dried and stuff. So yeah, and after that I'm probably gonna do some stuff around the house. So yeah, not a busy day as you can tell. My roots are like growing out so much. Debating if I want to get my hair done. I kind of want to go a little lighter, but we shall see. I used to be so picky with like straightening my hair because I want like every single strand to be like super straight, but lately I really don't care. So usually like nowadays, like when I get ready, I just really take my time getting ready. Like yeah, I'm like a sloth, slowly getting out of bed, slowly just getting myself ready and stuff. School is already online. I can't go to work, so all I do is just stay home. Plus, I can't really go out much anyways, and I don't want to go out by myself. And the straightener I'm using is a regular one. It's like super old. I have this for like years now. I don't even know how long I had it for. It works okay. Like, sometimes I feel like straightening my hair takes a long time. And sometimes it takes forever just to like go over the same spot like multiple times. And I hate when I have like the wavy bumps here. It irritates me so much. Like, I try not to let it bother me, but I can't help it. My hair is getting so long as well, which I'm happy that it's getting long. I haven't cut my hair in like, I think over 2 years, that's for sure. I cut my hair the summer I met my boyfriend. I like chopped off my hair and it was like the shortest I ever went, and I was so happy to have like my long hair back. And then when I got my hair done, my friend, she cut off some of my ends, and then that took a lot of like hair off, even though it was just my split ends. That took a lot of my hair off, but yeah, I'm okay with just cutting off like my split ends. And it's hard because I have such thin hair and I don't have a lot of hair. So I have thin hair and I have not a lot of hair. So the longer I keep my hair, the thinner it looks, if that makes sense. So usually after when I finish doing my hair, whether it's straightening, curling, whatever, I usually spray my hair with hairspray. And I usually like flip my hair down and then spray it, especially for straight hair. And then after that, I'll go ahead and comb it. I've been really loving like straight hair. I don't know. And like for me, when I was younger in high school and middle school, I always wanted like bangs either going this way. Yeah, usually my bangs went this way. And like it was so hard because like I had like long bangs and my hair like splits in the middle here. So I don't know when it was, but like I just laid my hair parted the way it is now for a very long time. I think it was maybe either senior year of high school or starting freshman year in college. I just love the way my hair looks split. And like I don't know if I can ever like go back with bangs. I was debating to cut my bangs to have bangs, but my boyfriend doesn't really think I would look good in it, even though I don't care. But I really like it because I think it look cute when I straighten my hair and when I curl my hair. Yeah, I want to, but at the same time I love my split hair. So I don't know if I'm gonna do it or not. Normally I don't get ready like this every day. Some days I wear makeup, some days I don't. It just really depends. Like if I wake up pretty late in the day, I'm like, what's the point of putting makeup on? I feel like the back of my hair is always the hardest. So I'm probably gonna clean my room a little bit, just tidy some things up. So yeah, I'll show you guys, you know, just what I'm cleaning and just a little overview of how it looks after. So yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, I also had to pick up all that stuff, my art stuff, and then all that stuff. Clean all that stuff and make my bed because I just haven't really cleaned my room, and plus I stay up really late. I was wearing these earlier today, so I'm just gonna roll them up and put them away. So this area is where I usually do my homework and my makeup, so it is messy sometimes. So this is the overall of my bedroom. It's not super messy. I have some stuff on there that I need to do. So over here, sorry, I have all these stuff here, and I'm not really sure what to do with this whole shelf right here. Alright, so yeah, that's all my nail stuff, and then this is like my movie tickets, and yeah, let's see what's in there. Movie tickets, I have a flower in there, and then I also have concert tickets. Sorry, that was loud, but yeah, I also have concert tickets in there. And then I also have my techie stuff, jump drives. I also have this lens in here. It's upside down, but I only use this when I shoot football photos. And I have a bunch of cords and all that stuff. Mini tripod that I don't really use. Yeah, not sure how I'm liking that, but it is what it is. So right now I'm just gonna work on this book. I just have a discussion that I need to do. So I have my ring light here. I'm just gonna take it down. I absolutely love this ring light. I got this on Amazon. I'll go ahead and post the link down below. I got it around during like, let's see, the holidays, and it was like at least 100 something, but it was on sale for like $50 or $60. I can't remember, so I'm like, might as well get it. I mostly use my vanity for most of my lighting. But yeah, I just decided to get this. Plus it has a tripod stand with it, obviously. It was pretty easy to set up. I've been working on this PowerPoint for my cousin, for her daughter, and I absolutely love it. I haven't been working on it lately just because I would stay up. When I work on it, I would stay up till like 3 in the morning working on it. So yeah, it's just like a little game of PowerPoint, and I absolutely love it. So I'll go ahead and show you guys. So this is like the main menu. This is like a bunny for a bunny game. These are farm animals. Sorry about the blurriness. And then like numbers, ABCs, and then shapes, but I haven't gotten there yet. I've done all of this, and then I'm working on this. I'm also gonna do colors as well. So for example, if we're gonna do a bunny, she'll just click on the bunny, and then all the instructions on here, and then she just has to like find the bunny, and then she'll have to click on it, and so on. And then there's also, let's see, sorry, like let's do letters, because letters was so, what is it, time consuming, because there's 26 letters, and then I had to find pictures and all that stuff. So, you know, she just has to guess the letter that's showing, click on the letter, and then it will just show some stuff that begins with that letter. So let's start. So she'll have to guess, what is this letter? And then she clicks on it, and then there's an alligator, apple, airplane, acorn, and then she just taps and then goes to the next letter, and so on and so forth. Let's see, what else can I show you that I've been working on? Numbers. So, you know, it says let's begin by counting how many fishes there are. Once you know the number, click it. So then it's gonna say next 0. You know, there's no fishes, so 1, and then comes swimming a fish, and then 2, yeah, I absolutely enjoy doing this. I don't know why. It's probably because I want to be a teacher. That's probably why. And I just love doing this because it's so fun just being creative and, you know, coming up with new learning ideas for children. So I really love doing that. That's what I've been working on. Hi guys, so it's a little later in the day, and usually this is what I'm doing. I'm on the phone with my boyfriend. He's playing games. The usual, you know how men are. Just kidding, but that's how my boyfriend is. Always playing games. It's me time for him. So yeah, so this is basically my normal routine. I have a coffee here, which I'm almost done. And I was just creating a new end slate. So usually my old end slate was marble, and I still like the marble theme. I'm not over it yet, so I kept it the same, but I changed like some stuff. And I'm just gonna take a look at my old end slate. Let me see if I can pull it up on here. This is my old end slate. I have like a blush pink here. It says subscribe. Thank you for watching. It has my social medias. But the reason why I decided to change it was because when I add like the end cards, I think that's what it's called. When I add the end cards, it doesn't really work with my layout, so I decided to change it. I also didn't like how I have like color for my social medias. I still like my intro because I worked so hard on the intro. I used Keynote, which came with my laptop, and it was so nice to see all that transition. And I stayed up pretty late, you know, just like fixing it to see what I like, what I don't like. Alright, so I went ahead and changed into comfy clothes because it's 1:36 in the morning. So yeah, and I also grabbed a sandwich to eat because I am starving. Alright guys, I finished my sandwich and now I'm drinking Dr. Pepper because why not? I'm basically just importing some of the film that I did today, editing it, just kind of playing around with some new stuff. That's basically it. Typical, nothing to do, as I said before. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna wrap this video up and my day that way. I'm probably still gonna stay up for a couple more hours just because it's so normal for me to do that, and plus I'm always stuck in my room and I feel like you guys are probably tired to see me in my room. So there's really not much to see besides just staying home, getting ready, doing nothing. And yeah, this is my life, quarantine. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload. And also, don't forget to follow my social medias. I'll go ahead and post up my Instagram right here just for you guys to see. I do post on there a little more, or I try to. Alright, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!